like fx we write, no? So fx is a function of x, no? So ft, so let us consider it is a function of t. Okay, ft is the function of t. Okay, so t is positive basically. Okay, so now what is the meaning of Laplace transform of ft? So you are doing the transformation of Laplace, Laplace transform of ft, function ft. Okay, so that how do you write that one? A log, that see this one, A log Latinary A log ft. That is the Laplace transform of function t. Okay, so how do you define this one? A log ft equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus st. Okay, here st ft into dt. We have to remember this one, 0 to infinity e to the power minus st, and some formula I think I have already given, inverse transform, and some Laplace transform. First you have to should familiar with this Laplace transform formula. A log 1, A log t to the power n, A log e to e power at. Okay, sin at, Laplace transform of cos at, A log sin h at. Okay, this one. Okay. So now, so A log ft is equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus st f of t dt. So this is, what is this is? Okay, this is one parameter. Actually, A log ft, this one is a function of, okay, ft is a function, ft means you know that is the function of t. A log ft is a function of s. Okay, s. Okay, it is a function of A log ft, Laplace transform of ft is a function of s. Okay, and s can be real or complex number. Okay, real or complex number. Okay, you have idea about the complex number, no? It can be real or complex. Okay, so then A log ft equal to function of, I told now A log ft is a function of s. Okay, so we have written C, A log ft equal to f of s. Okay, because A log ft is a function of s. Okay, if it is a function of s only, then you can write A log ft equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus s to ft dt. Okay, so now what we can write? Ft equal to, if A log ft equal to f of s. Okay, function of s. A log ft is a function of s. Okay, function of s you can write f of s. Okay. So ft will be obviously Laplace inverse of f of s. Is it okay? See, we are writing, so we know A log ft equal to f of s, function of s. Okay, so you can write ft equal to, then ft equal to, this n will be right side. So that obviously that will be L inverse. So this ft is known as inverse Laplace transform of fs. Okay, so what we have to know, what is A log ft? A log ft equal to, you have to know this formula, 0 to infinity to the minus st ft. Okay, and so A log ft is basically the function of s. What is s? It is a parameter, it can be real or complex number. Okay, so A log ft is a function of s, so we can write A log ft equal to function of s. So then ft equal to L inverse of fs. So this ft then known as inverse Laplace transform of fs. So this L, what is this L? Basically, this L, I have written that Latin L, that L is basically that transform ft into fs. Okay, it's called the Laplace transformation operator. This L is actually the Laplace transformation operator. So now, before this condition for existence, we will learn this formula. You have to remember this formula. So Laplace transform of any constant L of 1 will be 1 by s. S must be greater than 0. The Laplace transform of t power n will be n factorial divided by s of n plus 1. Okay. So see this one, I have written A log 1. Okay, A log 1. So A fx ft, A log ft means this ft equal to basically here. A log 1 Laplace transform of 1, no? 1 by s. Okay. So this is what is the formula? 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft dt. Okay. So e to the power 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft means 1. Okay. A log ft here, ft is equal to 1. So then if you integrate minus of e to the power minus st by s, you can integrate this one. Okay, so 0 to infinity, that will be 1 by s. You no need to prove, you can remember actually. And if you are interested, you can see how it is coming 1 by s. Okay, so you have to know the integration. Okay, s greater than 0. So A log 1 equal to s greater than 0. Okay, A log et, e to the power at. That is again, so if ft is basically, a function of t is basically e power at. So then that will be 1 by s minus 1. You can, at home you can try this one, how it is coming 1 by s minus 1. And is obviously greater than 1. Otherwise, if it is not greater than 1, it's a positive number here. So it will be s equal to a means s not equal to a. Otherwise, it will be undefined. It means that 1 by infinite, 0 means infinity. Okay. Okay. So A log sine of at equal to that is basically a by s square plus s square, that formula. Okay, A log sine of at equal to a by s square plus s square. A lot of formula is there actually. Okay. So, okay. So, what should we know from here? What is Laplace transform? What is the inverse Laplace transform? Laplace transformation. So, and what is the inverse Laplace transformation? And this all this formula. And see that next page. What are the properties of Laplace transform? Okay. So, if like a of ft plus b of gt, you see, open that one, that will be, you can write a is the constant, b is another constant. So you can write a outside of that one, Laplace transform of ft plus b of Laplace transform of gt. Okay. The shifting formula we'll learn later. Okay. So ft means already you know, 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft dt, and a log gt means that we can write 0 to infinity e to the power minus st gt dt. Okay. Okay. So now see this one, I'll explain one problem. Okay. Find the Laplace transform of sine 2t plus sine 3t. If you will understand. Okay, so we'll apply just the formula. Okay, so see this, you have to know sine 2t, sine 3t. Sine is sine b. Do you remember the formula? Sine is sine b. You cannot directly find out the Laplace transform of this one. So we have to use that formula sine 2t, sine 3t. Okay, so that means sine is sine b. That is, the formula is half of cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. So here our a is 2t and b is 3t. Cos of, see that there we have written sine of a into sine is sine b, formula is half of cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Similarly, cos a cos b formula is half of cos of A minus B plus cos of A plus B. So, okay, so this one, this first formula, sin of A, sin B. Okay, so half of cos of A minus B minus cos of A B. In this formula, sin 2t, sin 2t. When you write this one, it will be this one. If you take this formula, sin A, sin B. So sin 2t, sin 3t. Sin A, sin B. What is the formula of sin A, sin B? Half of cos of A minus B. Okay, cos of A minus B. Cos of A minus B. Says, okay, I have taken that one. 3t minus 2t. Okay, minus cos of 3t plus 2t. Okay, so that will be half of cos t minus cos 5t. Can I write? Sin A sin B formula is half of cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Achha. Can you find out the Laplace transform of only sin of 2t? Can you apply the formula? What is the formula of that one? We have used basically the 16 formula, so we have to use the 16. You can use directly. Achha. What is the Laplace transform of sin 2t only? What is the Laplace transform of sin 2t? See this formula, Laplace transform of sin bt equal to b by a square plus b square. Laplace transform of sin bt equal to b by a square plus b square. Okay, so if you take the Laplace transform of only sin 2t, so just directly you can put the formula. If you are so enthusiastic, instead this one e to the power minus t, this one you can find out. Okay, so sin bt, Laplace transform of sin bt equal to b by square plus b square. So bt is basically here 2t. So you can write Laplace transform of sin 2t will be 2 by a square plus 2 square. Am I correct? See, our formula is Laplace transform of sin bt equal to b by a square plus b square. Okay. Laplace transform of sin of bt equal to b by a square plus b square. So just sin 2t is there. So 2t, b is t, 2 here. So you can directly put the formula. So that will be 2 by a square plus 2 square. So 2 by a square plus 4. Okay, this one. And sin 3t, so same actually, b is basically 3 here. So that will be the Laplace transform of sin 3t will be 3 by a square plus 3 square. So 3 by a square plus 9. Okay, but what we have to find out here? Laplace transform of sin 2t, sin 3t. Okay, so there is no formula sin 2t into sin 3t together. So that's why we are using that formula, that Sin A sin B into sin B, half of cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. So if you write that, we are getting half of cos T minus cos ST. Am I correct? So see that Laplace transform of cos of Bt is S by S square plus B square. Okay, so you can cos T minus cos ST. So you can directly write the formula. Anybody? Subhash and Arnav? Matumbi? That girl is there, Chandini? See, sine of Bt is equal to Laplace transform sine of Bt. So what is that one? So see this one, Laplace transform sine of Bt. No, sine of Bt is basically equal to B by S square plus B square. So from this Laplace transform of fx, what is that? 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft. No. So can you write Laplace transform of sine of Bt will be what you can write? Anyone? From that formula, Laplace transform of ft equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus ft dt. So where ft is what? Ft is sine Bt. So basically you have to learn how to integrate e to the power. Can I write this one? Laplace transform of ft. Ft is basically sine Bt. No. So sine Laplace transform sine Bt equal to what you can write? 0 to infinity e to the power minus st sine Bt into dt. So you have to learn how to integrate that one. So if you integrate, I am not teaching how to integrate. So if you integrate that, you will get b by s square plus b square. So Laplace transform of ft is basically sine Bt. Okay. And that formula, if you integrate that way, you will get b by s square plus b square. Okay. Similarly, Laplace transform of cos Bt is what you can write? Laplace transform cos Bt 0 to infinity to the power minus st cos Bt dt. Okay. So if you integrate, you will get s by s square plus b square. Okay. So we are directly the Laplace transform of sine 2t sine 3t, we are using that formula, sine of a and b, and after that we are getting half of cos t minus cos of at. So Laplace transform of sine 2t sine 3t equal to Laplace transform of half cos t minus cos 5t. Okay. So that then you apply that properties of Laplace transform. No, it is not. We can take half is you can take that outside half Laplace transform of cos t minus Laplace transform of cos 5t. Now we apply this formula, Laplace transform of cos bt. So that will be b is basically in first case b is basically 1. No? So s by s square plus 1 square, and the second one Laplace of cos 5t, b is basically equal to 5. So s by s square plus 5 square. Then we have to just simplify. And how we are getting Laplace transform sine bt equal to b by s square plus b square? So we have to integrate this one. Like I told, Laplace transform of 1, we are getting 1 by s. Okay, 1 by s. So how we will get 1 by s? So ft is basically 1. Okay, so that formula 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft. Ft is 1. So I have written dot 1 into 1 dot dt. then you can integrate and you will be getting 1 by s. Okay. You can try for sin bt and cos bt also. Okay. And you can see how we are getting b by square plus b square for Laplace transform sin bt and Laplace transform cos bt s by square plus b square. Okay. Okay. So see this one, e to the power minus st. This is, I will give one simple one. Okay, shifting formula. Okay. अच्छा, Laplace transform of cos square t. Laplace transform of cos square t. How can you do? Laplace transform of cos square t. Are you facing difficulty? So after tomorrow's exam, now can you go through this one that I have already, that Shubhas uploaded that one? Then if I explain, that will be easier for you. First you go through that one. Try to understand yourself. Then again we'll explain if you have any difficulty. After tomorrow's exam, first hour. Okay. So Laplace transform of cos square t, how do you do? How can I do? What is the Laplace transform of cos t? Directly, if you directly put the formula, anyone? Megha is there today? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So Laplace transform of first thing you have to understand what is this one, A of ft. Okay. And what is the inverse Laplace transform? Okay. What is S? Okay. Then Laplace transform of cos t. What you can write? Zero to infinity e to the power minus st cos t dt. No. We are taking Laplace transform of function of t, if t equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft dt. Okay, so when cos t, I am telling Laplace transform of cos t, that means ft equal to cos t. So Laplace transform of cos t, what you can write?
Ma'am, is it s by a square plus 1?
S by square plus cos t.
1 square, but 1.
Okay, okay. And cos square t, what can you do? First thing we have to understand what is Laplace transform and Laplace inverse transform. Okay. So you can, because at exam hall you cannot derive this one, no? You can integrate and you can that will be little, it will take some time. So if you remember this formula, it is good. Okay, cos square t, how can you do? Cos square t. Just apply trigonometric some formula so that you will get this form. Laplace transform of cos bt. Cos square t you cannot direct. directly apply any formula. Even if you integrate cos square t, then integrate and try. Right. It will be 0 to infinity, it will be a minus t cos square t dt. So we have learned already, no? Cos square t. Can I write cos square t from the trigonometry is equal to half of 1 plus cos 2t?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So cos square t is equal to half of 1 plus cos 2t. Just you apply that one. So Laplace transform of 1 by 2, 1 plus cos 2t. So you can take 1 by 2 outside. Okay. So 1 by 2. Then Laplace transform of from that properties of Laplace transform. What you can write? Laplace transform 1 plus cos 2t. So you apply the properties of Laplace transform, like Laplace transform of a t plus b gt equal to a of Laplace transform a t plus b of Laplace transform gt. So you can do this way: half of Laplace transform of 1 plus half of Laplace transform of cos 2t. Basically, you have to integrate 0 to infinity e to the power minus st into 1 into dt, and 0 to infinity e to the power minus st cos 2t dt. Half you can take common, so that one. So using the property, we can write here half of 1 by Laplace transform of 1 plus Laplace transform of cos 2t. Can you write?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So that will be, that means we know Laplace transform of 1 means 1 by s. And Laplace transform, just now we have learned Laplace transform of cos 2t is basically, b is here 2. So s by s square plus 2 square.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now we'll move to the shifting formula. Achha. Somebody is calling. 1 minute, huh? Subhash? Hello, sir. I'm giving class now. No. That is your choice this time. Online time. Okay. You don't have to follow the same formula. I see. I have class like one yesterday I contacted one call earlier. So I have given 30 questions, 30 not 27, 24 2 months and the rest 4 months. So this is your choice. No, that also, it is your choice. You can change the formula. Hello. Okay. Hello. Good evening. Sorry. Good afternoon. So you are tomorrow. You are writing the internal, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So already prepared. Okay. So another thing is that Laplace shifting property. Okay. So what we have learned, Laplace transform of t basically the function of s. Okay. Laplace transform of t is the function of s. Okay. So now if you add ft, here we have added e power 80, Laplace transform of e to the power 80, 80. So then you can write as function of s minus a. Okay, that is, you have to replace s by s by s minus a. Okay, so this shifting property we will use to solve just one e to the power minus 3t, 2 of cos 5t. You see that one? Like e to the power minus 3t, 2 of cos 5t minus, first you do this one, limit e to the power minus 3t. What will be the Laplace transform of 2 cos 5t minus 3 5t? Laplace transform of 2 cos 5t minus 3 sin 5t. What you can write? Laplace transform of 2 cos 5t means 0 to infinity, can you write, no? 0 to infinity e to the power, what you can write? E to the power minus st, if t is cos 2 cos 5t dt, no? Again minus e to the power, 0 to infinity e to the power minus ft, e to the minus st, ft means sin 5, 3 sin 5t, okay? Sin 5t dt, okay? No. So we already learned cos 5t for Laplace transform of cos 5t, 2 is constant. So we can take 2 side of Laplace transform, 2 of Laplace transform of cos 5t, 3 of Laplace transform of sin 5t. But if I multiply this whole factor, 2 of cos 5t minus 3 sin 5t into e to the power minus 3t. So can you apply that this one? Okay, so how do you do this one? E to the power minus 3t I have added. E to the power minus 3t into 2 of cos 5t minus 3 sin 5t. So what you can write? I understand it is difficult for you to. So I didn't add much, only few problem only I added. What you can write? Anyone? Can you write this way? Whatever way I wrote, Laplace transform of e to the power minus 3t, 2 into cos 5t minus 3 into e to the power minus 3t sin 3t. Can you write? Sin 5t actually. Can you write? So we have to find out Laplace transform of e power 3t into 2 cos 5t minus 3 sin 5t. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay. So can we write this way? A of e to the power minus 3t, 2 into e to the power minus 3t cos 5t minus Laplace transform of 3 into Laplace transform e to the power minus 3t sin 5t. Can we write? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then up to this one, then what you can do? Then how do you find out Laplace transform of e to the power 2 we have taken outside, Laplace e to the power minus 3t cos 5t. What you can do? See the formula, anything is there. See the formula. Cos, no? E to the power 80 cos bt equal to s minus 1 whole square plus b square. Then what you can write? E to the power Laplace transform e to the power 80 cos bt equal to s minus 1 is s minus s whole square divided by s minus a square plus b square. So here 80 is basically minus 3t. Okay, and cos bt, cos is 5t. So s minus 1, what you can write? S minus 1. What is a here?
Minus 3.
So s of s minus 3. So that will be
X plus 3.
x plus 3 and s minus s square. A is minus 3. So s plus 3 whole square plus b is basically 5 square. That only I wrote.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So then e to the power minus 3t sine 5t, this part. So see the formula e to the power 80. Basically Laplace transform of e80 sine bt. So from the original one, what you can write? 80 is basically e to the power 80 sine bt. So that one will be Laplace transform of e to the power 80 sine bt will be 0 to infinity e to the power minus st into e to the power 80 into sine bt. No? So if you integrate this one, then you will get b by s minus s whole square plus b square. Okay. So now see here, if you directly put this formula, Laplace transform of e to the power minus 3t into sine 5t. No? So here b is what? B is 5. No? So 5 by s minus s square. A is minus 3. So that will be s plus 3 whole square plus 5 square. I have directly applied the formula. Then we have just simplified. The first 2-3 days you will feel difficulty. Okay, so I am not teaching anything now today. Just you after your exam. Okay, what you do? Okay, so Laplace transform of ft. Okay, what is Laplace transform of ft? What is the meaning? Inverse, what is the meaning of inverse Laplace transform? Okay, these two things. Okay, okay, this one, and then the condition for existence. What we will see that one. Okay, then this formula L of 1 equal to 1 by s, L of p power n equal to n factorial s to the power n plus 1. Okay, okay. 1, 2 you can try. To this one directly put in the formula 0 to infinity e minus st. Ft is basically first case, ft is 1, ft is t power n, ft is like Laplace transform e to the power 80 is ft is e to the power 80. You can try how we are getting 1 by s minus a. Okay, otherwise I mean you can try. Okay, and finally for your exam purpose, you should remember, otherwise it will take time to find out the integrate and then find out the formula. So this is one, and the basic one you can do, like you can try that I have given. You can read once again, you can try actually, like if it is like sine t cos t. Okay, sin t cos sin t sin 2t. Okay, so then sin 2t sin 3t, Laplace transform of sin 2t sin 3t, Laplace transform of cos t cos b cos 2t. So this way, one few problems solved. Not from here, just you can yourself you can make it and do. Like we have done for Laplace transform of cos square t. Similarly, you can do Laplace transform of sin square t. Okay, what you can do? Laplace transform of sin square t. Laplace transform of sin square t. Just think of a trigonometric formula, Laplace transform of sin square t. We know this one. Cos square sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. No?
Yes, ma'am.
So then what I said, Laplace transform of sin square t. So can you write Laplace transform of 1 minus cos square t?
Yes, ma'am.
So 1 minus cos square t. So cos square t means again we know half of 1 plus cos 2t. That way also you can make it. So you will get Laplace transform of 1 minus cos square t. Okay. So cos square t means okay you can apply the properties of Laplace transform. Laplace transform of 1 minus Laplace transform of cos square t. Okay. Now you know what is Laplace transform of cos square t. Already you have done. Okay. Just L of 1 already you know 1 by s. Okay. Just one extra 1 by s minus that one Laplace transform of cos t. Okay. Simple one you can try. Okay. Is it difficult? Little difficult, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. No, the first time you are learning that is the reason. So that's why you just whatever is there, no need to go up to inverse. Laplace few problem only that is there in the note. Okay. So please you redo, you just practice that one so that you will understand. Okay. Obviously after exam, not today, not today lunch. Is it fine? You have to try. Okay. So when this that Laplace transform is existence, condition for existence. If it is with the Laplace transform of f t equal to, we have already learned 0 to infinity e to the power minus f t dt. Okay, it will exist. Okay, it exists for if s greater than a. Okay, exists for s greater than a if t is continuous, if the function is continuous, and Laplace transform of t to the power t tends to infinity, limit actually, sorry, limit t tends to infinity to the power minus ap is finite. Okay, so do you know when the function is continuous? Do you have any idea? This one we done in class 12 when the function is continuous. Continuous and differentiable. When the function is continuous, okay. Leave it, we'll discuss later. Okay, but you should know actually when the function is continuous. Particularly, we had mathematics, many of you had mathematics in graduation level. No? This is we learn in 11th, 12th standard.
Ma'am, is it like when both limit exist, function is continuous?
Okay, anyone? Any idea?
Ma'am, is the left hand limit equal to the right hand limit?
I think Subhash also said no? Same thing. You also said no?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have learned no? That limit, that one, existence, that limit, when the limit exists, that one, and continuous. Forgot whether I taught you. We didn't do much problem no? When we solved the problem. Okay, so you just practice this one. The few problems are given. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Uh,
Could you please share internal first marks?
oh, I didn't do, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'll check and give it.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Ma'am, for tomorrow's internal, unit 3, right?
You only decided, no?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So you didn't practice that one till now, or you didn't get time?
No. We just to confirm, remind and confirm, ma'am,
Okay.
that unit 3. Yeah, I just asked for that.
I remember. I remember. That tomorrow is your exam.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So today any class is there? Do you have any class? Any other class? Okay. Okay, you can leave, but everyone is present today. 1 minute. So Amol is present. Arnav is there today, no? Arnav did not reply anything. Did you see? Also is there.
Ma'am, present, ma'am.
And this one, Bablu is there. Chandan today.
Yes, ma'am.
Chandni was there. Divya. Hema.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Matungi.
Yes, ma'am.
Megha.
Yes, ma'am.